Welcome back to Debunking Real Estate Myths. This month, we're delving into the truth about open houses and their effectiveness in the selling process. While hosting an open house is a common strategy, not all open houses are created equal. An open house can be a powerful tool in attracting potential buyers and generating buzz around your property, but its success relies heavily on execution. We'll cover staging, timing, promotion, and follow up strategies to ensure your open house stands out. Today, we'll share practical advice on maximizing the impact of your open house, ensuring it's a valuable part of your selling strategy and not just a check on the list. Let's debunk the myth that simply opening your doors is enough and move towards a more strategic approach. First, let's talk about staging. The way your home is presented can make or break an open house. Staging involves decluttering, depersonalizing, and arranging furniture to showcase your home's best features. It creates a welcoming atmosphere to allow buyers to envision themselves living there. Timing is also crucial. Consider the local community calendar and aim for a time when potential buyers are more likely to be available, typically weekends or late afternoons. Avoid holidays or major events that might detract from your turnout. Promotion is key to ensuring a good turnout. Utilize online listings, social media, neighborhood signs, and local real estate networks to spread the word. High quality photos and enticing descriptions will make your listing stand out and will draw more visitors. During the open house, provide detailed property information and be ready to answer questions. Consider offering refreshments or a small takeaway to leave a positive impression. Engage with attendees, but also give them space to explore and discuss freely. Finally, follow up is where many sellers miss an opportunity. Collect contact information from attendees and send a thank you message or call to gauge interest. Ask for feedback on the property and address any concerns promptly. This not only keeps your property top of mind, but also builds relationships with potential buyers. It's important to note that all of these steps will be taken care of by your real estate agent. So it's important to hire a real estate agent who is professional, thorough, and will take care of all of these things for you. It's a myth that simply hosting an open house will automatically attract the right buyer and bring you an offer. A successful open house is the result of careful planning, attractive presentation, strategic timing, active promotion, and diligent follow up. By employing all of these strategies, you're far more likely to make your open house a pivotal moment in your selling journey. In conclusion, while open houses are a traditional part of selling a home, their success in today's market requires a modern and strategic approach. From staging to follow up, every detail counts. Employ these strategies to maximize the impact of your open house and move one step closer to a successful sale. Thank you for joining us on Debunking Real Estate Myths. Implement these strategies for your next open house and watch the difference they make. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your open house tips or questions. Here's to hosting impactful open houses and successful selling.